Microsoft users are outraged after a major Exchange Online glitch started hijacking inboxes and flagging perfectly real emails as phishing and dumping them in quarantine. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. The problem started on February 5th and is still causing chaos for businesses and users worldwide, with emails failing to arrive, disappearing mid-conversation, or being locked away as malicious. Microsoft confirmed the issue in a service alert, admitting that certain URLs are being wrongfully identified as phishing threats, thanks to evolving criteria designed to catch increasingly sophisticated scams. So basically, it's like solution becoming the problem itself. Microsoft says the updated URL detection rule was supposed to stop advanced spam and phishing attacks, but it's flagging harmless links and treating normal emails like cyber threats instead. The company hasn't said how many customers are affected or which regions are hit, but it has officially classified the problem as an incident. For now, Microsoft says it's manually releasing quarantined emails and unblocking legitimate URLs. Some users may suddenly see long missing messages reappear in their inboxes through the company, although it still hasn't given a timeline for a full fix. This isn't the first time Exchange Online has tripped over its own security. Similar bugs in recent years have quarantined valid emails, blocked URLs, and even mislabeled Gmail messages as spam due to faulty machine learning models. Sure, Microsoft is fixing it and will do it in some time, but frustrated users are left searching for their lost emails. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.